Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set Siri Only My Voice on any iPhone. Now to do that, just open Settings, then tap on Apple Intelligence. From here, just tap on Talk to Siri. Now from here, you can either select Hey Siri or you can select Siri or Hey Siri. Now if you have already selected one of these options, just select Off. After that, just wait for a few seconds, then select Hey Siri or Hey Siri. Now I will select Siri or Hey Siri. Now just tap on Enable Siri. Now just tap on Continue. Now just say the following sentences. Siri, how is the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Now, after that, just tap on Done. Now from here, just tap on Not Now. Now from here, you can enable Siri using your voice. Hey Siri, what is the weather in Chicago? And this is how you can set Siri Only My Voice on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.